doggone it. Let's unpack a couple of these terms that you throwing out, man. All right, so let's talk about the platforms. AWS, Azure, and GCP. So let's start with AWS. That stands for Amazon Web Services, right?
Yeah.
All right. And so are they the biggest, or I don't want to say the biggest, but are they
Yeah,
used?
they're the 800-pound gorilla. They had a 12 years head start. Number one, when Bezos came out with it, long story short, he was selling stuff on Christmas. He had a whole bunch of servers. One guy said after Christmas, we got all this extra computing power. One of his sidekicks said, well, let's rent it out to companies. And a lot of people said, that's stupid. But when he did it, he got a 12-year head start. And it took off because it's a lot. And two is when you're in Silicon Valley, like Bill said, if you have an idea, I'm not letting you buy computer power. You're gonna go rent it. So if it fails, I don't own computers. In the 80s, when the lady with the pet sock puppet, she bought $10 million worth of computers. When it failed, what did she own? $10 million worth of computers, right? So that's an old school. So basically, it's just computer power at your fingertips, a la like you using electricity. If I need 10 servers, I spin them up. If during the holiday I only need 2, it shrinks it down and I don't have to own the other 8. So I'll let Bill throw his spin on it.
That's it. You did it wonderfully. I'm done. But what I want to say was in 1999, Bill Gates wrote a